Today, let's have a simulation about the qualitative analysis of oil and fat. First is the solubility test. So we have the water, alcohol, and chloroform as our solvent. And our samples will be desi ghee, vegetable ghee, and refined oil. We will drop water in each of the samples and mix it, and let's check if they are soluble or not. As we can see, as a result, these samples are not soluble in water. Now for alcohol, we will drop alcohol in the sample and heat it and mix it so we can see if it is soluble or insoluble. The samples form a lower layer which dissolves on heating, indicating there is a presence of oil and fat. Now the last one is chloroform. As a result, the samples are soluble in chloroform. Let's see the translucent spot test. So we will use filter paper and candle to see if the samples are translucent. For the desi ghee, we can see that it is giving a translucent spot. For the vegetable ghee, it is also translucent. For the refined oil, it is also translucent. How about acrolein test? So we still have the three sample, desi ghee, vegetable ghee, and refined oil. We will put potassium bisulfate in our samples and heat it up. If it has a pungent smell, it means that acrolein is being produced. So all of our three samples produces acrolein. Body test. In this test, we will put concentrated hydrochloric acid in each of the samples and furfural solution, and we will wait for 10 minutes. If our sample turns to pink, it means that it has sesame oil. So from the result of our experiment, we can see that Banaspati ghee contains sesame oil. For the Hubble's test, we will use chloroform and Hubble's reagent. So we will put chloroform and Hubble's reagent in each of our sample. If our sample remains purple, it means that it is a saturated fat. Thank you for watching.